Welcome Prince Institute. Legal exercise 7 progressive shorthand. Ready? Start. Clause second defines the expression very prestigious unit as a new industrial unit established in any panchayat samiti of the state during the period of this scheme in which investment in fixed capital is rupees 100 crores or more. However, the progressive investment of the amount of project cost as appraised by the financial institutions shall be considered as investment made by a new unit, and as soon as such investment reaches or crosses the point of rupees 100 crores during the operative period of the scheme, the unit shall acquire the status of a very prestigious unit for the purpose of claiming enhanced proportionate benefits under this scheme. The very prestigious unit means a new industrial unit established in any panchayat samiti in the state during the operative period of the scheme, and the other important requirement is the investment in such industrial unit must be rupees 100 crores or more. The second limb of the definition clause provides for a new industrial unit to acquire the status of very prestigious unit. The project cost as appraised by the official institution shall be considered as investment made by a new unit. The progressive investment of the amount of project cost as soon as it reaches or crosses the point of rupees 100 crores during the operation of the scheme, the industrial unit shall acquire the status of a very prestigious unit in order to claim enhanced proportionate benefits under the scheme. Clause 2 provides for constitution of screening committee for the purpose of consideration and to grant eligibility certificate under the new incentive scheme both for small and medium and also large scale industrial units to avail benefit under the new incentive scheme. The note appended to this subclause speaks of small scale units, medium scale units and large scale units. Small scale units means a unit of which investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 60 lakhs. A medium scale unit means a unit of which the project cost does not exceed rupees 5 crores, and large scale unit means a unit of which the project cost exceeds rupees 5 crores. Clause 3 of the notification speaks of applicability of the scheme. By this clause, the state government has made the scheme applicable to 1. New industrial units, 2. Industrial units going in for expansion or diversification, and 3. SIC units. Clause 4 provides for exemption from payment of sales tax. Next para, as we have observed earlier, Annexure C has 5 columns. The second column speaks of type of units. The third column speaks of the extent of percentage of exemption from tax. The fourth column provides for the maximum exemption in terms of percentage of FCI, and the fifth and the last column provides the maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax. Prior to issuance of notification, Annexure C was primarily confined to new units. After the introduction of notification, the exclusion is made to the expression new units by specifically including certain type of industrial units by inserting items 1A to 1F. Items 1E specifically talks of new cement units except in tribal subplan area. The extent of percentage of exemption from tax under item 1E depends on the type of unit or the industry. If it is a small scale unit, the extent of exemption is 75%. If it is a medium scale, the extent of exemption is 50%. And if it is large scale unit, the extent of percentage of exemption from tax is 25%. The maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax is restricted to 7 years. Item 4 speaks of new units producing pollution control equipments, pioneering units and prestigious units. The extent of the percentage of exemption from tax is 75% of total liability, and the maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax is 9 years from the date of commercial production. Item 5 relates to new very prestigious units other than cement units except in tribal subplan area, and the total percentage of exemption from tax is 90% of total tax liability, and the maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax is 11 years. Reverting to state the facts, the respondent SSC had applied to the state level screening committee for claiming benefit of exemption at 75% under the scheme. The committee rejected the claim of the respondent SSC and observed that since the respondent SSC is a large scale unit covered under the specific provision of item 1E of Annexure C, it is entitled to 25% exemption by its order. Being aggrieved by the said order, the respondent SSC filed appeal from Rajasthan Tax Board, Ajmer, in respect of the calculation of eligible FCI as well as the exemption under the scheme. The board, while remaining the matter to the state level screening committee, held that the respondent SSC is entitled to 75% tax exemption by holding the respondent unit as prestigious unit under the scheme, under the rule framed. Stop.